history of the Venus transit. So if you don't tell people and if you don't tell them the way how to see it, nobody will be able to see it, because as Fred was saying that the image is so small, with the naked eye it's very hard to see the Venus over there. If you can see the sun over there, and if I have the Venus on the sun, with the naked eye it would be very difficult to see. That's why we are not able to see these transits. Now to see the transit we have to devise various methods. So we have made 2 or 3 very low cost things. The telescope which you see at the top, that's the refractor we made replicating the Galileo's telescope, and at the end of it we had put another small pipe over there, and at the end of the pipe we have the butter paper which shows you the image of the sun over there. That's around 30 mm of size, and here one can actually see the big sunspot over there which was almost of the same size as that of the Venus. So this is one of the device with which you can see the Venus transit clearly. And then we made this is do it yourself kit kind of a thing. We had a webcam, we stripped the webcam all of its lenses and all, used the chip at the back, and then a small 20 mm 100 mm focal length normal lens, we put it in the front, and what we got was the image here which is showing me the sun, and that has got no optics, I mean no let us say a very costly optic. It's just a lens which is available in the market. And the third thing which we made, it's a very interesting thing which we call the ball projector. It has a spherical holder on which I have placed a mirror over there, and then there's a very large focal length we have used. This lens is around 10 meters of focal length, and if I project the sunlight through a small aperture over there, and you can see the sun right inside the room, sitting cozily inside the room, and show it to a more number of people. It's not that on the telescope one by one you are able to see it. And when I put a large focal length lens in front of it, then the clarity of the image goes up. And we had a workshop in Bangalore in IIA. Dipankar was there. He was one of the hosts over there. So we had a demo of the thing over there. If you can see without the aperture and the lens, it's so fuzzy out there, but when I use the lens and the aperture, the image is crisp and clear over there, and that's the way we want to show it to the masses, the Venus transit, because with the naked eye, even with the solar filter, you won't be able to see the transit or the Venus exactly on the sun very clearly. But these small instruments which we intend to make and distribute into the public, that will make the Venus transit more accessible to the masses and the kids. And here there's a 1 rupee coin over there, and we have a 2 meter focal length lens which is projecting the image over there, and one can actually see the sunspot over there without any magnification. So these are the things which we plan to do in the 2012 Venus transit, and I hope people will come forward and participate in the Venus transit with us. Thank you.